Oh, we're going to go up the rift line.
And cameraman down.
Guys, check him out.
Don't bring me right shoes.
Hi guys, welcome back to the RC Story. My name is Ammo. Guys, in this video, we're going to take out the awesome Axial SCX6 Honcho. If you haven't seen the unboxing video to this and the in-depth review, there's a link just up in here. Just feel free to click that link. Guys, the temperatures have absolutely plummeted here in the UK. They're around -1 degrees, etc. You probably see mist coming out of my mouth. It is cold. However, it ain't going to stop us. We're going to take this trail rig out rock crawling. Guys, we're going to test this. It's completely stock. We've done no modifications to it yet. However, we will be carrying modifications out to it after this video. So it's running on complete stock tyres, stock motor, everything's completely stock. We wanted to test this and see what it's like RTR out the box. I'm quite excited for this video, to be fair. But please do bear in mind the temperatures are really cold out there, so I'm just hoping that these tyres are up for the challenge and they grip. Without further ado guys, let's get into this.
Guys, we're here on set with our brand new Axial SCX6 Honcho. You've seen us bring many trail crawlers to this park over these rocks. We're going to use the same territory and see how this handles this park. Let's get into this. So guys, this is factory standard. I've not messed around with it. I've just turned the big lights off, that's all, just to make sure the battery lasts. I don't really want to be carrying this, but it's completely standard. Let's see how it gets on through this park before we start modifications.
So we're going for the same rock that we go for with all the other cars that you've seen in videos before. Let's see how it does.
I will say I love the censored motor on this, so much more control. Just hitched up there.
Caught up on that belly pan. He'll get out, he'll get out. There we go. Wow. That's incredible. I'd go left.
Left?
Yeah. Now right. There we go. Probably back left a little bit. Try and swing that. Rubbin's racing.
That's it. She's gonna make it.
Yeah, they've got that teleportation, so they can go from one space to another without anybody seeing.
This is where the portal's coming.
Yeah.
It's just catching there on the diff, as you guys can see. This is where the portal's coming.
The jaws are straight axles.
Yeah, I guess so. She just fell back into it. She gonna do it?
Well, we've seen this out the Gladius on the last run.
Last time we came out, yeah, we brought the Gladius and that done it.
So, can it outperform the Gladius? At over double the size.
and more than 4 times the price.
And weight. Yeah, she's down. She's eating the mud.
Muff diving, but she's out.
Yeah.
We have kept, guys, we have kept this on 50% throttle. When crawling, I think it's just better to go nice and slow. You don't really need to go fast. I don't even think we'd ever use this in second gear.
Right, so we're at the next rock. So the aim is to come down here, up on top of this rock, but halfway across the up, try and get down and sit on here, ready for a nice little picture here at the end.
I think what you've got to bear in mind, compared to the 1/10 scales, this is a lot bigger. Ooh. Drop it back a little.
There we go. Big,
Spoke too soon.
big steer right.
It's just gonna collapse.
I don't know, I think you'll get that if you give it a bit.
It's tumbling. Let's try again.
Here she goes. Mince me of that bit.
I've turned the throttle a bit onto 100%, and it's just helped climb that section a lot easier. Let's try again. Come on, now, bro.
Thought bashing was your thing.
It is, look.
There he is. Look at that. There's only one descent from there.
No. Alright, it's trying. Is it gonna?
You're fine here at the minute. Oh.
No, it's gonna swing round, isn't it? I can see it happening already. Oh! Hey!
It's caught itself.
Fair enough. Let's see if it corrects itself.
No, it's munching mud again.
Quite surprised how it gets hitched up, to be fair.
Have a look at that articulation on it. It's too big, can't get it all in the camera.
Guys, I've just passed Kyle the controller. He's here with me, as you guys are aware. It's his first go on this, just like it is with myself. Let's see what he thinks of it as well. He's going to try and come up this rock.
Absolute walk in the park on that.
Yeah, nice and easy. Look at that, guys. Don't get me wrong, these rocks, it just makes an absolute meal out of them. You gonna go back down it?
Yeah, definitely. You've got to be very particular on which path you're picking with the straight axles.
Yeah, I agree.
The control's insane though.
Yeah, I love how centered that motor is. Look at that, guys, just drop down nice and easy. That was really nice, that was, eh?
Yeah, definitely. Works well, works really, really well. But
I think it's a wicked platform for upgrades, etc.
oh, definitely, definitely. There's a few things that I've seen online that we will be doing to this.
Yeah, 100%.
Just simple things like moving shock positions and stuff like that, just to give yourself that little bit more articulation, maybe a little bit better centre of gravity. But no, overall, I'm quite impressed with it. But obviously, I deal a lot with straight axles, so but the portals would be a massive bonus on here, 100%.
Yeah, 100%. But you got to remortgage your house for some Vivitons, don't you? Right, guys, let's get some footage of some articulation and going over these two rocks. Let's check this out. Look at that, guys. How cool is that? Now, this is a factory standard vehicle, no modifications on it yet whatsoever. But yeah, we thought we'd have to give this a run as it was out of the box first before we start playing around with it, to be fair. Look at that, guys.
That's better, that's the line. Oh, that back's going to slip.
It's just hitched off on the rear end.
This is how we make sure that the bottoms of the tyres are never ever flat.
We've got some space here. Kyle, stick it in speed 2, second gear.
Into basher mode. Whoa.
There you go. Turn into a basher, guys. It's actually quite quick in gear 2.
Well, it's still crawling gear 2 though.
Well, let's see. Let's see if it crawls in gear 2. In second gear, guys. It's not too bad. Let's see how this gets up over here. I think it should go over quite easily. The only issues I think it may have is the diff.
The straight axles.
But let's see how it gets on. What I want to do is come around here. Turn here.
Oh, we're up. We're up.
Where's she hitting?
On the diff, on this rock at the top. There we go.
Oh, it's kicked the rock out the back. And that was the rock that was supporting it.
Second gear engaged.
Second gear. And it's up. Getting down to a different story, guys.
I don't think we should go down, I think we should go up.
Okay.
Let me just jump around there.
I don't think she's going to make it past that rock without taking the wall down.
Yeah, let's not destroy any more of the national park.
No. A little bit of a nardy course here, guys. Bit of a mixture of terrain. Let's see how it goes.
Oh, careful. Another great test for the articulation on the truck. That drops in view.
Just love the control on this.
And cameraman down.
Guys, check him out.
Didn't bring me right shoes.
Oh, guys, look. There's rocks everywhere. This territory, it's not made for us walking, is it?
It's definitely made for the deer. Right, after my little fall, I found my feet again.
Bit of a twisty one, isn't it?
Yeah, I have a bit of a twisty one, some nice branches. I mean, they're quite substantial drop downs. But yeah, I think that's going to be a nice little route for the SCX6. Let's go. And he's off. Idiot mode engaged.
Can't help it. A bit of a trail run, guys, going uphill. You can see it go downhill. Then I'm going to put it in gear 2 and have a run all the way up. And let's see how we get on with it. Look at that backside just wobble.
It's loving life.
Turn it about here.
Warp speed ahead.
Gear 2, no issues whatsoever.
Even left some 11s.
Look at that, guys. How cool does that look? Makes me want to buy a Hilux with a lift kit.
I think we'd have to sell a few RCs to get one.
Nah, my wife won't let me. I got one too many cars as it is. I can't justify it. Oh, look at that. Look at this, guys. Some of these angles are just amazing. I can't wait to start modifying this. It's going to be phenomenal. Guys, the temperature is now -1 here. With stock tyres on here. And let's see how it climbs the steep rock. Oh, check that. That just swallowed that. Some of the 1/10 scale cars, guys, have struggled on this, but that took it like a champ. Alright, next section. Guys, we're here at this rock again. As you've seen, all our RCs have climbed this with no issues whatsoever. The only one that's climbed that vertical section is the Rift. You can understand why, because it has been extremely modified. Let's see how the SCX6 does on this surface.
Going the Rift line.
Oh, we're going to go up the Rift line. Alright, completely stock. Is it going to do it? The belly's just touching, as you can see. I think she can do it personally. Almost. I think second gear. Oh no, first gear. She done it, guys. She done it.
That's the first car other than the Rift to get up that.
There you go, guys. The first car other than the Rift to get up that vertical ledge. Guys, he almost slipped and fell from there. Woo!
It's a bad day for me.
It's absolutely freezing, guys. Like I said, it's -1 degrees today. We're going to try descend. So that same route we just come up, we're going to see if we can come down. I've got to be careful where I'm treading here. No way.
I'm wondering if we can go back up that front ledge.
That's just ate it completely. Kyle reckons we should attempt to go up from this ledge vertically and up all the way to the top. We'll give it a blast. Slow crawl.
It's the mud that's laying it down.
Yeah. Not making excuses here, guys. My hands are absolutely freezing. Fingers feel like they're going to fall off. But as you can see, when this tyre moves, you'll see there's all mud everywhere. There you go. Hey, stop kicking it. But guys, it's climbed all the way up though. No way. Other than that little push, because we were getting stuck on that bit of mud there, it's made it all the way up to the top.
It's a hell of an angle. I don't think the camera quite shows the perspective, so if I stand that there and then get a side shot on that, you can sort of see the angle of it.
There you go, guys. Alright, next section. So guys, another little trail run. This one's a little bit more bumpy. A bit more skill needed on this one, but let's give it a blast. Look at that rear axle twist.
Just absolutely eats it alive. It's not even a test.
It almost makes you want to go the most hardest route just because some of the lines are just too easy. It makes you want to go the most tactical route. Yeah, bit of a blast.
So, next crack, guys, we're going to go for this rock here. Ammo back on the controller up there, looking beautiful.
Thank you.
And we're going to go for this. And they are quite smooth as well, so there's not really a lot for things to bite into with them.
Guys, we're attempting to come down this little big
little
cliff edge. Alright, let's give it a go.
Cameraman. Taking a beating today.
You reckon it'll go back up it?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Made a meal of that.
Wow.
And that.
Yeah. That was impressive. I mean, made that look like nothing.
Well, careful. That rock will make you look like nothing. Another one just here.
Yeah, so we've got a little descend here. It is a bit smaller than the last one.
But I'm going to go the gnarly way.
Okay. So, I think if we come across down here, down this bit, and try and descend, then across down there.
Alright, let's go. Got a bit of a drop there.
Yeah. She's having a nap. You ain't earned that yet.
Get back up. Get up it.
Wow,
No problem whatsoever.
that's insane. Oh, little bit of a diff. Nice and easy.
Guess it's just catching the lines right.
Yeah.
We've got this little valley that we're going to get up. As you can see it up here, goes all the way up and pops out over the other end. I'm going to go around the other end and record it. We got Kyle on the controller. Let's get it through this little valley. Look at that. Need to just drop that front end down.
This is where we had issues last time though, because the mud at the bottom here, we were being damp and
All the leaves, etc. It's
so we did have to give a little bit of
a nudge, didn't we?
But
Look at that, guys. Bridging across. Now you need to go towards that way, your left. Now the axle's gonna hit. See it just there, the axle's about to catch. Drop back a bit. Ah, you're stuck on the axle. Ah, you're over.
now, isn't it?
Yeah. Keep it going. I did have to just lift it over that little bit there because the belly was catching.
Now the axle's on it.
Is the axle on it?
Yeah, it's the rear axle. There's just a little nick of a rock there that just enough to hold on.
That's where the portals are going to come in, guys. And she made it out with some assistance.
Slight assistance.
Don't fall.
I don't know. I don't even drink, but I feel drunk. So we're just having a nice, slow little trail run back. Ammo is
Slow?
yeah, I say slow. So then, this is Ammo. We wouldn't expect any less from him. He does like his bashers, fastest they can go. dare to say he won't jump it anywhere, but
He needs to go to a skate park. It's not made for a skate park, guys.
no. And axles will definitely not last very long.
No. He just swallowed that.
There's a little technical rock up here that we can probably just walk over.
This one here.
Yeah.
I thought you said it was technical.
You went the cheat route.
Oh, I did. Look, straight over it.
A few little routes to try and get up and over.
What happened?
He's been grooted. And it just slipped again.
The amount of times you've slipped today.
I know, I think we're going to go home and go to bed.
Literally climbs everything and anything, this does. Within reason.
Within reason. See when we get to the tree at the bottom.
Yeah. We'll do the tree test. But there is a few adjustments that we want to do. This is RTR straight out of the box as it came. Nothing's been adjusted. There are a few adjustments that we are going to make to this truck before the next video, I guess. And definitely some weighted wheels are on the way. Right guys, we're going to attempt to climb the tree. Personally, I don't think it's going to do it because it needs weight on the front end. However, we'll give it a blast and let's see how we get on.
Yeah, look,
This is where you need the weight.
just lifts far too much.
Drop it down a little.
Oh,
Come back a bit too much, hasn't it?
yeah, the combination of the mast and the lack of weight, just causing us a little bit of hassle there, isn't it? A little bit of grief. Oh, we've got a slightly different angle there. I think the back diff's on the tree. Yeah, back diff. Just not quite going to get it.
Just needs that push there.
Yeah.
No, I don't think it's going to get it today. It's just going to crumble. Hey, we tried. But guys, that's a challenge. I think when the weather gets better, by summer, we need to be able to climb this tree.
Yep, that's definitely a must.
Unless the tree falls by then.
Looks like it's quite well rooted.
Just a bit.
Oh, yeah.
Proper trail like this is.
Guys, what did you think of that? This thing was phenomenal. Considering it's bone stock, there's no modifications that have been carried out with this. I think it handled like a champ. Do bear in mind, it was about -1, -2 degrees. It was absolutely freezing. The tyres held up well. However, they did slip on some places. I don't personally think that's the tyre's fault. I just think it was the conditions. However, yeah, I was really happy with this, guys. They are the standard Falcon Wild Peak tyres on here. And I think they do well straight out of the box. There are a couple of things that I did notice with the truck. Yes, it's a massive, heavy truck. However, as heavy as it is, I personally think it needs some lower weight on the centre of gravity. So argument's sake, on the lower half of the vehicle. When you've seen it go up some inclines, the front end was lifting a bit. And it could do with just a bit more weight, just to push that bit back down. So maybe add some wheel weights, change the wheels to some heavier wheels, etc. That may help, so I'll probably carry that out anyway. In terms of axles, it didn't get hitched up too much on the diffs, but in some areas it did. I don't know if I can warrant spending £700 on some Vivaton portal axles or not. And that's for the full kit, argument's sake, axles, the portal axles, etc. I may do. It all depends on how badly the truck needs them. I really need to use it more. I've only used it obviously on this one video. I need to get out, see how the summer runs, to be fair. I think this will be awesome in the summer. But yeah, guys, something a little different for you guys, eh? A 1/6 scale crawler. Guys, if you like our content, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to smash that notification button, guys, because it absolutely helps us and we do appreciate it. And guys, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.